Hi class 302. So I've been getting some questions about turning in your assignments. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to create a Google document and then to upload your work onto our website. So I signed in, and what I'm going as a student, I signed in as a student, and what you should see is, of course, our classroom. Now the first page that you see should be our streaming page, and every morning I want you guys to take a look and to check the morning message that I've made, because it's really important. That's where you're going to find our daily agenda. When you click on this daily agenda, you're going to see this pop up, and it's going to basically tell you what we have to do each day. So daily reflection, math review, genius hour, and then your 3 subjects. So Monday is math, science, and then reading, and of course your prep. So once you look at our agenda for the day, you should know what assignments to complete for the day. And you start out with your daily reflection. You read the daily reflection. You type in your comment here. You can respond to your friends if you like. Now after that, I'm going to show you. You're going to go to classwork right here. Click on classwork. And here it says topic filters are here. So basically that's all the topics that we have in our classroom. So when you take a look at our daily agenda, and of course we have math review first after the daily reflection, you can click on math review, and then it's going to show you our assignment for the day. So you're going to click on the assignment, and right here, add or create files for your classwork. This is where you're going to add or create your Google Documents for Ms. Ma to check. And here are your private comments. Like if you need help with something, you can always private message me. And this is our public messaging for the class comment. So what I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to download this math review. You can do your 6 questions in a notebook, and once you're ready, you're not going to mark as done. You're going to add or create, and here, if you want to take a picture of your work that you've done in your notebook, make sure it's labeled clearly as math review and labeled as question 1, question 2, and 3, 4, and so forth. And you can upload that file here. You can click here and then upload your picture onto the classroom. But if you want to just do your work on the Google Documents, so I'm going to click on Google Document, and it's creating a Google Doc for me. And then you're not going to turn in because you didn't write anything in the Google document yet. So I'm going to, once it creates the Google document, I'm going to click on it, and it should open a page to, it should open up to a blank page. And so you're going to name it Math Review, March 23rd, 2020. Of course, sorry, have your name. Today I'm going to be Rosario. There you go. And basically, you're going to write your answers down here. So the first question is, what expression can be used to show 469,063 written in expanded form? I'm going to write that expanded form here. So plus and once I finish, I'm not going to turn in. Once I have finished, all of my 6 questions, so I'm just going to make up an answer now. These are not the correct answer. It's just an example. So once I finish with the 6 questions, and I've checked everything, and I want to finalize, then I'm going to click on Turn In. And let's see. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, let me try. Let me see this. it should say turn in. Okay. Rosario. Let's see if it's gonna work. Classwork. Okay, so here we go. So now I have Rosario Google Docs Math Review. So remember, you are going to turn in. Once you've finished everything, you're gonna turn in. Click this, and then it should upload onto your Math Review page. And then you have to turn in once more. You have to click this button once again. It's going to finalize. It's going to ask you, do you want to finalize? Turn in. And that's it. So once it says your work turned in, that means you have turned in your work. Now, if you want to make revisions to your work before turning in, maybe you made a mistake, then you want to click on this button, unsubmit. It's going to ask you again. And then you can click on it again and then make your revision. And again, once you finish revising, you want to click turn in again, and then it's going to bring you back to this page, and you have to click turn in one last time. Alright, so if you guys have any more questions, please feel free to comment and let me know what questions you have and how I can help you or assist you guys. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to read your work. And remember, just because you comment on the or just because you leave a comment about what you learned, that does not count as your grade. You have to make sure that you are handing in your assignments through Google Docs and turning it in, okay? Alright guys, see you later.